Hey everyone, John Chow here, and in this video I have an unboxing and review of the Ledger Nano X cryptocurrency wallet. Let's go do it. Okay, here we go. Slide it out of this box here. And here we go. It looks like a USB flash drive. That's one of the things I like about the Ledger Nano. It's very stealthy. For the average, consumer, this looks just like a USB flash drive, and most people would not suspect that it's a crypto wallet, but it is. So let's put that to the side here. See what else is in here. All right. We have a hello. Okay, so beneath that is a USB Type-C cable. So how it works is this basically plugs into the Ledger here. Oops, no, yeah. Basically plugs in, and that plugs into your computer. We have recovery phrase. Yeah, so this is where you write down your 24 C words so you can recover the wallet should you ever lose it. And I noticed there's a total of 3 recovery sheets, which is good because you should always have more than 1 copy. So Ledger gives you 3. The Get Started guide, and a few Ledger Nano stickers, Ledger stickers. Nice. Okay. Let's set this up. Setting up the Ledger Nano X is pretty much like setting up any other Bit39 wallet. You don't need to plug into a computer. It can be done totally air-gapped if you want. You just plug it into the USB power here to give it power. And then using these 2 buttons, there's a button here and a button here. You use it to navigate and control the setup. So let's do that right now. We start by downloading the Ledger Live app from the Google Play Store or the Apple iTunes Store. Fire up the app and hit Get Started. From there, you'll be presented with a series of choices. Choose Initialize a new device, which we'll be doing. Choose the Ledger Nano X, and basically then it's following the on-screen prompt. The first one of which is to choose a pin. So using the buttons on the left and the right to navigate, you can see all the options. Here we can see options: set up new device or restore from a recovery phrase. And you press both buttons to do what you want. So we're going to set up a new device. Now we're going to choose a PIN code from 4 to 8 digits. And again, using the left and right button to move the numbers up and down, we can then choose a PIN. So once you get the PIN you want, you hit both buttons to get the checkpoint and ask you to confirm it. And using the up and down buttons again, we will enter the PIN again and confirm. Now we come to the recovery phrase. This is the 24 keywords that the device will give you to write down. And you need to write this down because if you lose these 24 words, you will lose access to your crypto wallet. So this is where you get the recovery sheet that came with the device, and just write the words down. So this is an example here. These are not the actual 24 words of the wallet that I'm setting up. So pure example, I will be wiping it out. So it will ask you to write these words down, and after you write them all down, it asks you to confirm the words. So it has to be confirmed. Then we'll go on with the rest of setting up. Before continuing with the rest of the setup, we will go through a security checklist. The Ledger app wants to make sure you've done everything correctly, so it will ask you if you set up your PIN, did you write down your recovery phrase, etc. And once you do that, we can now pair the device with our phone. If you ever paired a Bluetooth device before, then this step would be pretty straightforward. It's basically turn on Bluetooth and it'll pair up. It'll search for the Nano X and you're ready to go. For security reasons, the Ledger Nano X will ask you if you wish to go ahead and pair with your phone. And it'll give you a code that will match out with your phone. And if everything's okay, just hit both buttons to do the pair and it'll go through a genuine check to make sure it is legit. Once you successfully pair your NanoX to the Ledger Live app, the final step is to put a password lock on the app itself. Obviously, you should choose a password that is very hard to guess using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is protecting your money. Weak password not allowed. Once you set up the password, congratulations, your Ledger NanoX and your app is ready to go. To add cryptocurrency to your Ledger, first thing we do is we log into the Ledger Live app. Then we will connect with our Ledger NanoX. Then from here, we can choose the cryptocurrency to install. In this example, we'll be installing Bitcoin. And boom, your Ledger NanoX is now ready to store your Bitcoins. Overall, I really like this. It's a really great cryptocurrency wallet, especially if you have more than just Bitcoin. Unlike, say, the Coldcard, which only stores Bitcoin only and nothing else, the Ledger allows you to store up to 100 different cryptocurrencies. So if you're holding Ethereum or any of the other non-Bitcoin or alternative coin, this is a great way to store it. And I also like the fact that it's inconspicuous. Like it looks like a USB drive, so people won't know that compared it to what's this USB drive? This is old school calculator. I don't know. So easy to operate. This is more of a wallet than say the Coldcard. This is Coldcard more meant for long-term storage device. That like in order for me to move money around with a Coldcard, I have to. It's an involved process. It's an involved process to actually move some money around with this. With the Ledger and using the Ledger app that's on my phone and the Bluetooth, I can easily just move cryptocurrency around by just using the app, and boom, I want to pay for something. I just say the amount of money I want to send, sends it here, Bluetooth. Do you want to send the money? You want to confirm? Push the 2 button, boom, it's done. And so a minute tops. Whereas trying to transfer money with a Coldcard, well, yeah, definitely more involved. The only downside I can see, and there isn't that many, but the only one I could think that off the top of my head is that the software that powers this is not open source. So therefore we cannot audit it. Unlike the Coldcard or the wallet that comes from Trezor, their software are open source, so you can audit it and find out what's in the code, whereas Ledger it's proprietary. It's proprietary. But Ledger has been around for a long time. They're one of the originator along with Trezor. So they're the two, Ledger and Trezor are the two biggest vendors out there. And so this company has a good reputation. They've been around for a long time, and they make one of the best-selling cryptocurrency wallet available. So I don't have an issue with them using proprietary software. I love the secure element chip on here. So instead of keeping your wallet seeds or your wallet, keeping the keys in the MCU like Trezor does, this keeps it in a secure element chip, just like the Coldcard. The Ledger NanoX sells for $119. I will have links to where you can buy it below this video. So if you want to pick up a unit for yourself, I think you should. If you're looking for a brand new cryptocurrency wallet that stores more than just Bitcoin, fantastic choice. If you're looking to add to your Coldcard with something more convenient that allow you to spend the cryptocurrency when you're traveling and stuff instead of long-term storage, Ledger NanoX, great choice. And I think that's what I'll be doing in the future. So long-term storage of my cryptocurrency in here, spending Bitcoin in here along with the Ledger app. There you go. All right. My name is John Chow, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It does help me a lot. I'll see you guys next time.